My friends, this is Ian here. I'm the proud owner of Buildabizonline, and I want to welcome you to your members area. And the welcome message, as it says, I think we should change that to welcome video. Now, this is an important video because what I want to do is just show you around the members area. What we have done right now is simplified it. People want simple. They don't want complicated. So this, believe it or not, is simple. And what I want you to do straight away, if you ever get daunted with what you see and the way that Buildabizonline works, I want you to contact me straight away. Now, there is no excuse. We've got a contact button here that comes through to me straight away. So does this. But if I am logged into this, which is called chat, no it isn't, it's called talk.to, then we can text chat live. We have also got a method of contacting where I can show you one-to-one training. And I will do that even with the free members. And we use Microsoft Teams for that. Okay, so if you've got speakers, you can hear me talking and I can show you exactly where everything is and how it works. But now this has been made simpler. Gone is that left-hand menu and the right-hand ads. And if you want to bring them up temporarily, then all you do is just click on there. And this is some additional links. Some of our members wanted that back in. Personally, I don't like to see it, so I keep it closed until I need it. If I want to go and add some ads, and let me click on that. And there you can see some ads just there, okay? If I want to add some ads to this, then I bring the left-hand menu open. But while I'm working on various things, I don't need it. Now, as a free member, I want you to familiarize yourself with these buttons, okay? There's just 6 buttons there. You're already watching this, and I'm so pleased that you're doing that. There is step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. And these explain exactly what those steps are. Don't miss them out because you'll regret it later. Okay, and then we've got our income streams. Now, as a free member, you can't use any tools. As a free member, you can promote Buildabizonline and get to know a little bit about Buildabizonline and what we stand for. So if you upgrade today, then you will get a lot more access. For instance, if you click on to the toolbox right now, you will see all of the tools. All of the tools are listed down here. There's over 40 now, okay, that are listed that we deem that are important for making money online. These are the most important at the top. We've got our splash page builder. You can, as a pro member, you can build unlimited splash pages. If you don't like using our templates, you can build your own templates. Okay, there is multiple capture page templates. And then you've got all sorts of different tools, and they are all very useful. And there's a lot of people making a lot of money. There's also our autoresponder program. So you would register here, and then you would click here to log into the autoresponder. Now, if you as a free member were to click onto this now, all it would do is take you there. And as you can see the difference, free member, you can stay with us forever. You can promote Buildabizonline and make $2 or $2.50 when those that you introduce upgrade. Okay, so it's very limited, but you can make money with Buildabizonline as a free member. And then there are more benefits with the Pro Plus, and there are more benefits, even more absolute everything for the Pro Executive. And most of our customers, as I like to call them, or members, go for the Pro Executive there. Right, now what I want to do, I'm going to log out of it and I'm going to come into a Pro members area. Okay, so I'm going to click on there. You can see the color difference, and I'm going to show you what you get as a Pro member. So I'm logging out, and there are some reminders there. Look, please pay attention to this. This changes quite a lot. I'll be back in a second. Okay, we are now in a Pro members account, so I want to show you around here. Now, if you click on this link here, you'll always end up in the dashboard or the members area, whatever you want to call it. And when you've finished a Buildabizonline for a period of time, please click the log out. Okay, that's the best way to use Buildabizonline. Always log out, and it's more secure that way. Now, over here, you saw a glimpse of it at the beginning of the video. These are your profile links. These are the money matters. Okay, and then we've also got edit your programs and so on and so forth. Now, this was the very first tool that we ever had. If I left click on there now, you will see I've got a number of ads. It doesn't look like this on the outside, by the way. Let me show you what it looks like on the outside. If I click onto this, onto my home button, this is the home page, and then this are what those ads look like, and it's a powerful page. It's the #1 tool that we ever made. Okay, now then, we've got another page there as well that is also powerful, and if I click on this link just here, this is a powerful page as well. There are some better layouts. I prefer to call it better layouts because it's more condensed, and I can show you those in a minute. Let's just close that down. We'll come back to the dashboard. Okay, these buttons remain, by the way, because we want you to make sure that you get these done. This is really important. Now, here's all the affiliate links and so on and so forth. Now, I did say that there are some better layouts, and I believe I like #2, and also there is #1. That is a nicer one, I think, anyway. And what members tend to do with this is that they use it for promoting their traffic sites. That's what they tend to do with it. Now, I can make this do 15 or 20 buttons, but I think it's a little bit over the top when we do that. So what I've done is put the 10 most important links on there. Okay, so we're coming along now. So this is where all your links are, and we've got some nice splash pages for you to promote. And that goes for the free members as well. You can reach them there, okay? And this is where you can make those $2 and $2.50s. Right, let's go back home. So this is your affiliate links and so on. We've got some pre-written ad copy there. You can view your downline, which I'm not going to click on because you'll see all my downline and their emails. You can email your downline. Even the free members can do that. We teach you how to love your downline instead of abusing them by means of saying, quit what you're doing, come and join under me. I know people don't say that literally, but that's what it really means. Now, this is where the toolbox is for Pro members. So if we click on there, you'll see exactly those same tools. But if you were to click on this as a Pro member, then it will open up. And in this test account, there are a number of splash pages and so on and so forth. I've got a test page there. Let's just show you that. Okay, so that's just a test page I was working on. And click on there, it'll close them. This is one for the big dog. So if you want this, I can actually share the code. So that's a great thing over at Buildabizonline. You, as a leader, if you join Buildabizonline and you sign up people under you and encourage them to do that, and I encourage you to do that, you can share both the splash pages that you build and also the autoresponders that you build. So that's one I've made for somebody in the big dogs. So let's go back now. We're going to click on the dashboard again, or I'm just going to left click back. So there's a number of tools that are down here, and they are absolutely amazing and essential. Now, the idea behind all these tools, let me just tell you the little story. What I want you to do is to go to the home page at some point and listen to the steps to making money. Just there. There are only 4 steps. Please watch it if you've not done so already. But I mentioned in there, when I first started, I was going to one program. Now, this is only for people that are serious about making money online. Okay, if you're just kicking tires, then it doesn't apply to you. But you'll need trackers, you'll need a splash page builder, you'll need autoresponders, you'll need this, you'll need that, you'll need this, you'll need that, trackers, everything. They're all used to cost me $10 each. Everything back in the day, 18 years ago, was $10 each. Join this, it's going to cost you $10. And it was mounting up. I was paying out $60 per month before I even made any money whatsoever. So this is where Buildabizonline was put together so that everybody or anybody could get all the tools that they needed to build a serious business online. And I make a full-time living online, and some of our members are getting there as well. Okay, so it is possible using the tools of Buildabizonline. Now, there's an important one here, and it is the autoresponder. And it's similar when you look at it to the splash page builder. When you click on here, for instance, I started this 2 days ago. I've got 51 subscribers in there. There is 1 pending, you can see there. 48 are active and 2 have been removed. Okay, so there's a good report there. This is what the page looks like. This is the actual capture page. So all is possible at Buildabizonline. Okay, so it's 2 days ago, 51 already. Okay, so it's similar, looks similar, and what you can actually do is to change the template layout. If you want to put an HTML form on another page, like a blog or something, then you can collect the form for this campaign in there. You can share your campaigns, you can import shared campaigns, and then you can also delete it. So that is our number 1 tool, in my opinion. Right, let's go back over here. You can contact admin anytime you wish, just there. The training, we have got video training, we've got our blog training, And you can also compare autoresponders by clicking on this link. If you want to do some advertising to all our members, you can do by just clicking on the advertising, and you can do banners, text, login ads, and all sorts of different things, okay? And a lot of people are into artificial intelligence now. Now, some of us old ones, and I am 70, right? Well, nearly 70 now in January, guys. My brain is still ticking away, so we're still doing all right. I've got a few cogs slipping in there sometimes, forgetting things and so on, but I can still teach you how to make money online and use these tools. So at any time, I want you to reach out. And this is a good assistant just here. This is AI Jane. Ask her anything you want about Buildabizonline. She will answer you, and she will answer you honestly. And if she cannot do that, she'll direct you to click on to this so that you can ask me the question. Okay? So there we have it. We're more or less there, guys. We're nearly there. So what I want you to do now, I would like you, please, you've watched this all the way through. If you listen to this bit, I want you to follow step 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. And then if you wish, even as a free member, you can add your IDs or your usernames so that if you do introduce people to Buildabizonline, they will follow your lead and join these programs in our income streams, okay? These have been selected and are great money makers. It's entirely up to you. So there we have it. That's the introduction to Buildabizonline, what everything does, and thank you for listening. Now, what I would like you to do, if you've got this far, you've done really well, and I thank you for that so much. And also, what I would love you to do is to subscribe to our channel. And you can do that, and I'm going to click on this right now. All you got to do is go over to YouTube and then click subscribe. And then you can also hit that notification bell and click all. That way, you will get a notification when I add a training video, and you that have taken that action will be the first to see that training. Okay, my friends, so this is Ian saying thank you very much. I'm going to log out now, and it's going to give me 1 or 2 prompts. Make sure I've done everything before I leave Buildabizonline. So thanks for listening, and bye for now. See you in another video.